Hello Viking lovers! Here we have my new project. We have made this to be super cool, a little bit more off-road racing style, if you can call a pickup for off-road racing style, but that's the idea. We have here in the front the Firefly 9-inch, super wide beam, a lot of lumens. Thomas says it's over 12,000 lumen per piece, and we talking about actual lumen here, not theoretical lumen, actual lumen. And here, this is really nice. He has built in the Firefly 10-inch here. And this combo gives a great feature on the road. You have a really long width, over 500 meters with one lux, and you have a super wide beam pattern. But look here, how nice it comes into the actual front of the Raptor. So the Firefly position lights is an invisible style, it is see-through, it's very cool. So go in on our site, look more on the Firefly and learn more about that family. We have created a new type of side marker. This is really nice. If you have a look to it, it's like an American glow. That's what I call it. You can call it whatever you like, but my feeling for it is a nice American glow. This is a side marker that gives perfect mounting to if you have a truck, pickup, whatever. But this side marker gives a really nice, cool light effect. And you guys who know me, you know that I love Underglow. This family is a wide range of product, contains warning lights, the Dark Knight warning lights. You have the Dark Knight Gloria, you have the side marker, you have the three-function tail light in the same size. All of them are delivered with a super smart click-on frame that protect the lamp from dirt, dust and stuff, so it keeps fresh longer. You can also choose to have it either in black or in chrome, or if you keep your eyes open as well, Thomas has promised me it will be also in a dark chrome. That will be a super cool version as well. It'll give a really nice dark face to it. Back here, Dark Knight Fortex. So if you see here from a distance, it's a really nice position light. You have this feature of this lamp is that you can have a really good position light, but you can also change Kelvin in the work light. You have 3,500 actual lumen, super wide beam. You can choose between 4, 5 or 6,000 Kelvin. This gives you a nice opportunity to decide yourself what you need on a rainy day or a crispy autumn day. So it's up to you. I have a surprise for you guys. I want to show you something cool. We have installed a LED bar with super strong red light. This is of course mega forbidden, but I'll show you how it looks. And tell me in the comments here what you think about it. Do you want to see that live? Is it a hit or miss? So let me know what you think. I'll just fire it up. If you're a hunter's man, the animal is not reacting so strong on the red light. So we are trying to experiment with that. It's very strong red, it's like a work light. Super cool thing, I like it. Do you like it? Leave a comment below. The Ranger Raptor is now ready. You will join us later tonight. You will see when we drive it in the dark, you will see how cool and how strong the driving light is. If you like what we do, subscribe our YouTube channel, give us a thumbs up and see you soon again.